Today we're going to talk about how to add the rows and columns total in Tableau. So for that, I'll just first create one table. I'll take the regions dimension and drop it onto the column, and then I'll take the subcategory. So as you can see now, our table is ready. So now I'll just take the sales measure and drop it onto our table. So now this table showing the sales of each subcategory in the particular region. So by default, Tableau does not add the total of the column and the rows, so we have to add that manually. So in order to do that, if you want to add the total of rows, so for that I'll click on analysis and then click on total and then select show rows grand total. So uh, just make it a little bit bigger. So as you can see now, the total of each row is has been added in a different column, as you can see. So this is showing the total of each subcategory, and for that, and then if you want to add the total, if you want to add the columns total, so just you have to repeat the same step. Click on analysis, click on total, and then you have to click on show columns grand total. After clicking here, now as you can see, the total of each column has been added in the different row. So this is showing the total of central region, this is east region, and the total of south region, and the total of west region, and this is the total of sales. So this is how we can add the total of rows as well as the column in our Tableau in the Tableau table. Thank you.